In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily export video from Capcut to the gallery of your iPhone or Android device. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Capcut app. And now we can create new project by tapping right here, or we can open up existing one. After that, we can edit the video, and once you are done with editing, first off, I recommend you to tap right here where it says 1080p, and that's where we can change the resolution, frame rate, code rate, and also we can activate or deactivate Smart HDR. I recommend you to keep this option enabled for the most situations. Here, if you would like to save your video in the highest quality, then I recommend you to increase frame rate, resolution, and code rate. However, keep in mind that the higher you set these options, the more the final output file will take space on your device. And now, guys, all we have to do to export the video is just tap right here at export button. Now the video is being exported, just wait until it is done, then hit right here at done, and now we can easily find the output video file if we head over to photos, then recents, and here it is. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.